A great day begins at a massive construction site. Wow, what is Corey doing? Oh, she is moving the barrier to the designated place. Ben was excited to carry sand. Uncle Jay is coming to mix the sand. Katie is coming to help Uncle Jay pour sand into the mixing ball. Wow, the ball started spinning steadily. Run, run! What is this? The wind is so strong that it might fall. Oh no! Uncle Jay, be careful. The steel bar is falling. Run fast, Uncle Jay. Oh no, it's too late. Lucy is resting. Bum, what's going on? Katie ran to Lucy for help. Oh no, Uncle Jay is being crushed by steel bars. Let's help Uncle Jay. Yeah, together we can do anything.
Okay.
Yes, sir!
Huh?
This morning, in the bustling square, tiny vehicles are gathering to prepare their favorite breakfast. Wow, there are cakes, pies, sandwiches. But wait, the little yellow car's cake has disappeared. Not a trace. No one saw anything. An urgent case of lost cake begins. Bobby, the serious police car, comes into play. Jet, the police helicopter, leaves no detail untouched from above. They checked every wheel, every corner of the parking lot. Who is the culprit? Flair is checking the suspicious ladder. Healy was both clumsy and always hovering around the cake box. And then, a discovery from above. The crumbs fly with the wind. Jet parted the clouds, following each fragment. And there, Dusty, the yellow plane, is doing somersaults with a spinning wheel on his nose. It turns out Dusty thought it was a toy cake to fly with. Who would have thought it was real cake? The cake was returned, a little dented, but still delicious. Bobby closed the case with a full stomach. And today's lesson is, investigate carefully, share sweetly, and don't let the cake fly away again. Good morning, little town. The cars are parked neatly. The sun is shining. Birds are singing. But wait, something's missing. Where's Tiny? Woo-woo! Officer Bobby races to the scene.
Huh?
Jet flies in to help from the sky. They spot tiny tire tracks, leading to a giant trash bin? What's that strange noise from inside the bin? Bobby rolls back, then bumps the bin. Bang! Whoa! The lid pops open. And out comes Tiny, covered in tissues and juice boxes. He must have sneezed too hard and rolled into the trash. Jet twirls in the air, laughing.
Hey, hey!
Aha!
Oh.
Yes!
Huh?
Hey, hey!
What?
Thank you very much. Hey, hey!
La, 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 la.
Oh no!
Help! 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 Ha-ha! Sir, yes, sir.
Oh! Oh!
Nope. Huh?
No!
Hello.
Huh? Huh?
Wow, what a beautiful morning on the country road. What's going on? The sky is turning dark with dark clouds and thunder. Oh no, rocks are falling. The road is blocked by rocks and trees. We need help. The rescue vehicles are taking a break. The alarm is ringing. Ring, ring, ring. Lucy woke up in a panic and called everyone to wake up. It was raining heavily. They reached the blocked road and got to work. Lucy is trying to lift the fallen trees into Ben's bucket. Ben fell asleep again while Lucy was working. Wake up, Ben. John has come. He will clear the big rocks. He is very strong. The rocks were cleared very quickly. Gibson will clean up the remaining mud. Wow, it's great the road is back to normal. Yeah, working together makes things easier.